Hello everyone. In this video we will be showing how to set up your ShopWindow account. So first go to account section on the left menu, and over there you just first need to name your catalog. We recommend using the same username you are using on your social network, so it is easy for your audience to find your catalogs. Once selected, set the store name and confirm, and your catalogs are already reachable on the internet, so they are exposed web pages, social apps, wherever you have your products in a shoppable way. So the next thing to do is to get paid. For that, we allow enabling credit card, debit card payments, and a number of methods. So for credit and debit cards, we are using Stripe. So you connect your Stripe account by just hitting the connect with Stripe button. Once you hit it, you enter the Stripe integration flow. If you have already a session initiated in your Stripe account, it will be automatically integrated. Otherwise, you will have to enter your credentials and you will have it integrated the same way. And after that, we can jump into PayPal. PayPal is even easier. You just enter your PayPal email address to receive payments on that PayPal account. Hit connect, and finally, to allow cash on delivery payments, you just switch it on and read the warning and confirm that you are okay with getting orders and then getting paid on delivery. Finally, we have to configure the social media, because your customers will be getting notified on their messaging apps when they purchase products through social media. So you can connect a number of methods like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, Telegram, Twitter, and whatnot. So let's go first with connecting Facebook Messenger. So you just hit connect with Facebook. You enter with that on the Facebook integration flow. Facebook gives you a list of pages you can integrate. And then once selected, we are back on the dashboard. We select the page, we select it, connect on this page, send this to me, so you will get a Facebook Messenger notification saying, hey, you have ShopWindow configured. Now we have to configure Instagram for messaging. In this case, we will be notifying users through WhatsApp. We just select it and hit connect this channel, and now all customers will get notified about orders and so on through WhatsApp when they visit your catalogs over Instagram. The same goes for Snapchat. Instead, let's select SMS for the sake of variety, and in case you are missing anything, let's say Telegram or Twitter or whatever social network, you just hit the drop us line link and you drop us line. You hit send and we get that feedback. That's very important for us because we want to keep in touch with you guys in order to improve the platform. That's pretty much about it. You have your account configured now.